In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download music on YouTube Music for offline use. This process will allow you to enjoy your favorite tracks anytime, even without an internet connection. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music app on your device. You will see a colorful interface filled with music recommendations and playlists. This is the main hub where you can browse, search, and discover new music. It's important to use the app instead of the web browser because the download feature is only available in the app. You will notice the familiar layout with tabs for Home, Explore, and Library. This is where all the magic begins as you prepare to download your favorite songs. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the app. This action takes you to your account settings. You will see various options related to your account, such as your subscriptions and preferences. Accessing your profile is crucial as it leads you to the settings needed to manage your downloads. With just a few taps, you will be well on your way to customizing your music experience. From there, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This section contains all the configurations you can adjust for your YouTube Music experience. You will be shown options for notifications, playback, and more. Navigating to settings is important because it allows you to set up your downloading preferences. You want to ensure that your settings reflect how you want to enjoy your music offline. Now, click on Downloads and Storage. Here, you will find specific options related to how and where your downloaded music will be stored. This section allows you to manage your offline listening and determine how the app handles your downloads. It is essential to get this right as it directly impacts your storage space and your ability to listen without interruptions. Next, tap Audio Quality and choose your preferred file resolution between low, normal, or high. You will see a list of options that affect the quality of the downloaded music. Selecting the right audio quality matters because it determines how your music sounds when you listen offline. Higher quality will use more storage, while lower quality saves space. Choose what best fits your listening habits. After that, toggle download over Wi-Fi only to on. This is a vital setting that prevents the app from consuming your cellular data plan. By enabling this option, you ensure that downloads only occur when you are connected to Wi-Fi. This little step saves you a lot of data, allowing you to enjoy music without worrying about unexpected charges. Once this is set up, search for a song or album you'd like to download. You can use the search bar at the top of the screen to find your favorite tracks. As you type, suggestions will appear, making it easier to locate what you want. This step is important because it brings you to the specific content you wish to enjoy offline. Next, tap the three vertical dots next to the song title and select Download. Doing this will initiate the download process for that specific track. You will see a progress indicator showing the download status. This confirmation ensures you know that your song is being saved for offline listening. Once the download is complete, you can relax knowing your music is ready to go anytime and anywhere.